Welcome to Tactical Reviews, and in this video we're going to take a look at a really nice piece of EDC gear produced by Ostap Hel Knives. And what we're looking at, or will be looking at, is the Mjolnir. Hopefully I pronounced that vaguely correctly. And here we have the Mjolnir in its tin and a handmade bead and lanyard to go with it, also produced by Ostap. So let's have a little look inside. The Mjolnir comes in several different materials, finishes, sizes, editions. This is the Mjolnir III and it's in carbon fibre, and that's why we also have the matching bead in carbon fibre. And what I'm going to do with this design, there are no moving parts, and so with the Mjolnir III in carbon fibre and a matching bead and lanyard. Now, in fact, what I'm going to do myself is replace the cord. It's a nice, quite stiff black cord, probably 3mm or something similar. But what I'm going to do is put a bit of glow-in-the-dark paracord, probably with the inner cord stripped out just to make it the outer sheath. But this is in carbon fibre as well to match the Mjolnir, and of course that can be fitted simply as so, just to give you a little something extra to hold on to. What I'm going to do is zoom right in to have a look at all of the details of this beautiful handmade EDC gear. Okay, so I think I'm in about as close as my camera wants to focus. So at the moment we still have the lanyard and bead. I'm going to pop that off just so we can see absolutely everything in the details of the Mjolnir. I've not seen the full production process for the Mjolnir, but the little pieces I have seen suggest that there is a lot of hand finishing to produce the beautiful crisp lines. You will see copies of this design that are not official and obviously not supporting the maker, and if you like it and appreciate it, get an original. Get it from Ostap. So the carbon fibre, obviously the lightest version of all available. There are many versions: brass, titanium, steels, different Damascus, various options done in limited runs and special editions. And it really is beautiful craftsmanship. Crisp yet not sharp. I mean, that's a real skill. So nothing uncomfortable, but as you see, those corners and edges look absolutely spot on. Just have a quick look at that bead. It's not quite got the same, hasn't got the textures you can see in the Mjolnir itself. And I will end up seeing whether I need to strip out the inners of the paracord or not. So nice subtle little details that tie it in with the Mjolnir. So, thank you for joining me for a look around this bit of glorious EDC gear, the Mjolnir from Ostap Hel Knives. And remember, get informed, be prepared, stay sharp.